We've been talking a lot in this show about the holidays and how important relationships are. And there's some topics that I know can be a little difficult to talk about with your significant other. Andrew from South Bay Medical is back this morning to tell us why communication is key. And again, certainly in certain aspects of the relationship. Andrew, so good to see you again. Good morning.
Hey, thanks for having me. Yes, communication is key when we're talking about issues in the bedroom, erectile dysfunction. As we know, it doesn't just affect the man, it affects two people. So it's so important to communicate about this and improve the relationship. And that, of course, is what we do.
Well, and I think there's some misconceptions or just assumptions that when there are these issues going on, that really there's just kind of the traditional pills that you can take or the traditional treatments. But part of the reason why you're on our show is really letting people know about this newer treatment, but there's studies behind it. So it's not like it's brand new, but just getting the word out that there are other options.
Absolutely. Men with erectile dysfunction have been taking the pill for 30 years. And there is a new treatment. There is an alternative that is so much better. South Bay Medical Clinic uses the most advanced form of something called acoustic wave therapy. This is clinically shown to open up and regrow blood vessels in this part of the body, of course, gently, non-invasive. It's not surgical. What that means is more blood flow where you want it, when you want it. We have helped thousands of couples get off of the pill, eliminate the erectile dysfunction, and restore that intimacy. And that is so important to couples to get the spontaneity back without any of the side effects that come along with the pill.
You know what I was just thinking of? I think 2020 has been so hard for a lot of probably couples and families and different things. And this may be the year to go ahead and address these issues. And then come 2021, I think people are going to be very eager to kind of live their best life again.
Yeah, I think that's right. And we've been spending a little more time with our significant others during everything going on in 2020, and probably will be with the upcoming holiday. And when a man struggles with erectile dysfunction, sometimes he kind of dreads those moments. He worries about them. He stresses about them. Will I be able to perform? We are going to eliminate all of that doubt. You will be amazed what can happen in the bedroom when we get your blood flowing properly.
Talk about who the best candidate is for this, because again, I love that you and your team are honest, that you say, hey, this may not work for everybody, but you certainly are getting great results for people and men of all ages.
Absolutely. We'll have you screened by a doctor before you start. But the ideal candidate is somebody, obviously, they're going to be struggling with erectile dysfunction, but maybe you're not at zero. Maybe you've got some function left. You have failures in the bedroom, but not all the time. There's a very good chance we can get you back to 100%. But like you said, we've treated men in their 20s. We've treated men in their 90s. Prostate cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, all kinds of different medications. So we've seen it all. The study by Cambridge on this technology, they took a whole host of men with varying degrees of erectile dysfunction. At the end of it, they said all men experienced an increase in blood flow. That's pretty incredible. Erectile dysfunction is a blood flow problem. We are going to treat the root cause of that problem and get you back on track in the bedroom.
Well, now is the time to call. I know there's a special offer you want to tell people about. Go ahead and run that down as we get ready to close.
Yes, if you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction, let's throw the pills away. Get your phone ready. We are going to give away a lot for free today. Those that call us right now, we'll do the initial assessment, exam, even the blood flow ultrasound with our doctor, totally free. We'll also throw in a little special gift that I don't think I've ever seen it fail. It produces instant results in the bedroom. This is a $500 value. It is free to everybody that calls the number on your screen right now.
All right. Well, there is the website. Of course, we showed that number. Andrew, thank you for your time this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you.